Good night. My name is Marlon Martin, playing for Arnett Garden, position centre midfield.
So Marlon Martin, the team continue to win, winning these games, especially today in this big derby, Tivoli versus Arnett Garden. Tell me what the coach told you to do up there so you could get the win today.
Alright, the coach told you that we didn't know say how physical game because say a West Kingston derby, it'll be physical. So we just go out there and just do the right thing and play hard.
Well, you continue getting yourself in some position to score, but not really coming off for you. What's your thought on that?
I always work hard in the training, man. So I always say one day again, work hard and come back in the match and get it.
But your primary role though, you have been doing your primary role well, and I've been watching your games over the season, There are three CDMs in the league that are really playing well, and it shows that their teams are on top of the league. Harvey from Mount Pleasant, you from Arnett, Marlon Martin from Arnett Garden, and Ramon from Waterhouse. Tell us what motivates you to come out here every day and to perform like this.
As I say, I just have to work hard in the training and put my mind to it because we know the Jamaica program, they only have CDM, so every day I say I want to make it, so I have to work hard from training and just put in work in a match.
Alright, thank you very much for the interview and hope you continue to do well and reach to the highest height in football.
Yeah, welcome.